Hello, good morning. Hello, Pierre Stovall and W.S. Hari. Today we have a special guest. Oh, diz alô aqui na câmera. Hello. 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 Let's normalize streaming with kids. I know a lot of parents have this situation with the pandemic. Anyways, so today I am mostly testing out my camera and also just doing some open source stuff. Thanks. So I'll do a little recap of what I've been working on in the last streams. So this week on DaVinci, I've been working on a project called Stream Widgets, and this has been going on for a while. I've been messing around with different APIs to integrate to my stream. I think the most fun part of streaming for me, at least, is being developing these little tools and fun things that I can integrate into the stream. So the latest thing that I wanted to build was to get my latest followers. So this week I started connecting to the Twitch API. I did some work on that front, and there's just a few changes in the project since last Tuesday. I just added this information to the config so that it's not on the tokens are not on the controller. They should not be. So this is an example of how the config file looks like right now in this application. So this application, in case you didn't come before to any of my streams. So this is a command line application, but command line based application, but it has a web component that I run to, so I can use the browser source. Thank you, W.S. Sherry. Thank you. May your day is also great. Okay, so what else? Okay, so just a moment. She's requesting another video. Okay, back. So I figured that I should just try to do this stream like this. Fridays are usually the day that, so my daughter doesn't go to the daycare on Friday, and I just thought, well, maybe I can do something on Friday morning with her. And let's see how it works. I was very excited to try out the new webcam and also the new affiliate stuff on Twitch. I just got my affiliate status, so I'm excited about it. And I actually want to just do some integrations that I can show my followers, subs, that this kind of thing that you usually see on streams. And I don't like to connect a lot of extensions and third-party applications in my account. So I decided, well, I can build these things, right? So that's what I'm doing. It's actually a lot of fun. Anyway, so this is the code that gets your latest followers on Twitch. So it's a request to this endpoint, and I'm gonna show it running. So these are my new followers. Thanks for following me, you, Pierce Stovall, and also WSHAARI. I don't know how to pronounce your nickname. Names are already hard to pronounce, and sometimes nicknames are also difficult. We never know what it means, the intention, you know. Anyways, thanks for following me, and today we're gonna implement, so we're gonna improve this a little bit. This is just like a very plain page, and I want to add these somewhere here in the footer. Shari, is that right? Shari, where are you from? I'm from Brazil, by the way, but I live in the Netherlands. Okay. Is there any Brazilian awake already? Because I just saw recently some of my some Brazilian people were in streaming, just saying like, "Oh, I wish there was more people streaming early," and it's very early in the day for Brazilians, I suppose. Hey, WP Oros Dosimo. Thanks for the lurk. Really appreciate that. From friends, nice. I had a friend there. Some friends. Oh, this is useless. Okay. Oh, I remember something that I forgot to include here. I never actually use the browser associate, so I'm gonna start doing that. Oh, yeah, I know, no. Ah, okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, he lives there. Okay, so I'm gonna come here in changing my OBS Studio Settings. So I'm gonna add a browser source. Let's see how this is gonna work. So these, you can set a URL. So, I didn't know you can also use a local file. Anyways, so I'm gonna set it to localhost 8000 /followers. Maybe I should add a source to show my full screen so you can see I'm setting the OBS Studio things. But okay. Cool. So I see that it uses a black background by default. What I want to do is okay. So you can see here the text. Okay. So it's transparent. This is nice, actually. I didn't know the background would be transparent. I thought it would be like a kind of regular page and like with a white or black background, so solid. And this will make things a lot easier to implement some stuff that I want to implement. Yeah. Back. From time to time, I have to help choose another YouTube video for her. Oops. Okay, so we are gonna do. What we're gonna do is we are gonna do something nice here. To show the latest followers in a nice, just list kind of thing. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use Booma CSS because it already has some components. It's easier to, yeah, it's just plain as CSS framework and doesn't have any JavaScript. I don't want to do any JavaScript today. Okay. So this is what you're gonna do. First, let's get to the Booma. Yeah, booma.io. There's another thing that I forgot to include here was browser source. There is a new extension. Yeah, these sound alerts that I have to. Can I do this? Ah. Yes, I can see something. So this is so you can where is this thing? No, I'm gonna do it again. Today I'm doing English, but if a lot of people, if you prefer in Portuguese, I don't know how many people are. I should make a pull extension so that you can choose the language I am streaming. Okay, I'm gonna grab the URL, then it's better. Then I will add it as an overlay. I don't know why it doesn't show up anything really. I'm gonna leave this here. It doesn't show anything, but yeah. Let me have a look at the how it looks on the stream manager. I'm still figuring out all this Twitch stuff. It's complex. Oh, I can see now. It's a little overlay. So for instance, I can come here and can I play one? Thanks. Thanks, Pierstoval. I thought I could maybe also, yeah. Play the sounds from here. I don't know. Still figuring this out. The sound alerts thing. Maybe you can use it. I don't know. Oh, someone cheered 10 beats for me. That's awesome. Thanks, W Pros Docimo. My first beat. I still don't know how the yeah, this. Okay, so I can see like, yeah, okay, I don't know. It's confusing. I think you can use it. I don't know. I think you can share and then it will play a sound, right? Yeah, I'm so confused. This window also confusing. Sorry. I will just get back to the content that I planned to do today. Hello, Flat. Hello, olá. Bom dia, pessoal do Brasil que está me assistindo. So, docs. I'm just going to get this example. I'm gonna copy this the starter template from Bulma. So it's, if in case you don't you're not familiar, Bulma is a CSS only framework, and you can there's a lot of components and like a bit like Bootstrap that you might be more familiar with but it's just CSS. There is no JavaScript involved, which is great for me at least. Okay, so let's check now. I wanna do it. Okay, so this is and also a recap about what I'm building. So this doesn't use any popular framework. This is a command line framework that I developed to build little command line applications, and then I created a kind of a web layer for it. So it's on the works, of course. There's no templating system right now. It's very basic. So one of the things before like people start suggesting packages is that I like to develop the things. I like to, this is what makes me more happy. Like it's developing things from scratch. I really enjoy doing that and thinking how people solve this problem, like, and also comparing later what I thought and how other people solved it. It's fun for me. So I like to develop things from scratch, and I prefer not having a lot of dependencies. I hate depending on a lot of packages. So I like to develop my stuff. Anyways, so right now there is a little for each here. This is what generates the list of the new followers. So we can either do this thing here, or we can include some package to use a templating engine, or we can hack a templating system. We can do we can do pretty much whatever we want. But let me see how I'm gonna do this. I don't like to have the HTML like this, of course, in the controller. So I will have to include, I think I'm gonna have to include a templating system. And as much as I like Laravel and I've been using Blade lately, for projects like these, I think I prefer to use Twig. So that's probably what I'm gonna use right now, because I have integrated Twig before in many. Twig is the templating system for Symfony, from Symfony, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that because I did it before. Yeah, Blade. I don't know. I like a bit, but I don't know. Yeah, I like Twig a lot. So, but I also use, when I'm using Laravel, I don't mind using Blade, but Twig is nice too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Twig website. And let's see. Yeah, so that's, I think we're gonna have to include a service provider and stuff like that. Oh, I'm missing a terminal scene on my OBS setup. So I think this screen is gonna be black for a little bit. So don't worry, I'm fixing it. Sorry. Window capture and terminal. Yes. And then I'm gonna add the my overlay. Yeah. Okay, so we are back. Yeah. I think there was a simpler getting started guide. Introduction. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we will inject the Twig environment and the loader into the application. It's installing. Okay. This is our index page. Yeah, but I'm not using it. This is not Laravel. So I'm gonna create a service provider for this thing. It's a little framework, and it has also support for services. So what I'm gonna do is have the web controller here, just looking at where I'm gonna do that. Yeah, maybe here or in the application. I think I'm gonna create it here for now. And this is gonna be the Twig service provider. And the Twig service provider or implements is a yes. So I have a little interface. Now I can in this load method I can include the stuff that I need. Yeah, basically you're gonna need this. It's cutting a bit here, but yeah, big monitor problems. O tema que eu estou usando, aonde? No PHP Storm, é o Material UI Team. Eu acho. Deixa eu ver. Confirmar aqui. É Material Team. So you can go on the extensions. It's kind of a plugin that you install. Você pode instalar como um... Deixa eu ver onde é que é mesmo. É um plugin. Okay, so we had this... let me see the loader. Array loader. No, we don't want the array loader. We want the actual templates, a file loader, something like that. Let me see. Oh. Let me see there again. Docs. Yeah, we want a environment. Yes, so this should be a bit different. Yeah, so Twig environment. No, I copied the wrong thing. A file system loader. Yeah, the loader. I didn't copy the correct thing. Yeah, I need to change the loader. Yes, so... Okay. our templates, I'm gonna use the app. No, we are. No, we are. Where? We are here. Then one back. App views should be here. Yes. Okay. Then I create a new environment. I'm gonna create a directory for the cache. So I'm gonna do a var cache, and this is gonna be then cool. Okay, so now we can register this. Meu amor, mamãe não pode agora, tá? Mamãe tá trabalhando. So now back. So now I can go to my index and register this. So this is the point where the application runs. Before that, yeah, here. Can do, no, it's service, yeah, add service, tweak. And this should be okay. And then we can create a basic view now to test it out. So I'm gonna create a followers, guess like that. I don't know how PHP Storm will, it recognizes it. Okay. Okay, so now I can copy that the skeleton from Puma website. Cool. We're gonna create a main template and then use sections. Well, we are gonna improve this later, but to get started, I'm gonna change now this here, and I'm gonna render the template, right? So what we need is, this is gonna go, I'm gonna pass the followers response data as yeah, followers response data is where the actual data is. Let's see, I'm not remember now, but I think this will do. Do I need an exit here? Not quite sure. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. And then so we have the twig stuff. So here, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use it for something like that. I think no, it's not like this. It's like this, right? I think. Let's see the docs to avoid frustration. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I think I got it right. Okay. We'll probably want a list like this. And then follower. So I deleted the code, so I don't remember now. I don't. Yeah, I should have just commented out that show. I think it's what name. Let's see. I think I still have. Yeah, I can see here. From name. So this is the. So this is the login. The username of the follower. So I'm gonna Yeah, that's the only thing actually that I need. So it's from name. In my template, it should work like this. And we will see right now if this works or not. Oh. It's not running. Yeah, Booma is really cool, right? I like it a lot. Okay, so it's serving and I can go there now. Let's check it out. Ooh, 500. Okay, 2 weeks service provided in render. I know. It's just because I am trying to run the render method in my service provider and not in the twig object. So I have to create a little redirection, let's say. I could also just get the twig object, but I think for now I'm gonna do kind of a redirection method. Okay, and now if I go there now again, nothing shows. Well, it was a 200, so it was a okay request. It didn't break things. Let's have a look again. I'm gonna check the source blank. So it's not really rendering the template. It should be, there should be something, you know, the headers, the stuff, the normal stuff. So let me see again the code. Why nothing shows up? So this is not loading. Definitely. Maybe it's not even rendering the template, although, yeah. It actually called this before because we had the 500 euro about this call. If it could be only this and didn't show any error. Yeah, that's weird. It doesn't even show the title or anything. It's like a blank page. Just a blank page. I'm gonna check the docs to see if I have an idea what that could be. So let's see the initial part about loading. Okay, so I did this file system loader. Oh, this. So I forgot an issue. Just that. Yeah. So that's it. Here. So I need an edge here. Otherwise, it's not going to show anything, really. Okay, it should work now. Let's see. I hope so. Where is it? Here. Nothing. That's weird. Ah, I know. You have to change here too. It's not returning. Cool. Yay! It worked. So I just have now to. So you see in the bottom, I have to kind of adjust the size and like show only 3 or 4 maximum. So that's what I'm gonna do now to finish up. Let me see. So I can now just work on the template, which is much better, nicer. So what I'm gonna do, I can change these on the request itself to limit the results, but I might do this just on the view actually. I'm go back to the docs on the about the for loop, and maybe there's a little break. I don't know if there's any break, but if loop dot index equals 4, I can break. If there is a break, let's see. I don't know. It would be handy. So this should be like if loop dot index equals what, 4. This is probably not gonna work, but I am gonna try it anyways. Maybe loop dot break is something that could work. I don't know. I think this is gonna break. It just didn't work. Nothing special. It just didn't work. It didn't break. It didn't work. I think there is no such thing as a break. But I can just slice the array actually on the controller. I think that's better. Hey, just Steve King. Hello. Not here, actually here. Okay, so I'm gonna do array chunk, I think. Maybe array chunk. Yes, array chunk and followers data. What's the order? What's the needle? Array first and then the size. I would like 4. I don't know if this is gonna work though, but we will figure it out. We will try it out. No, I think maybe it changes the array. Not quite completely sure. Let me see very quickly the docs so I can. I'm just about to finish with this, the last thing. Array chunk. Yeah, it should work, no? Array chunk. B, C, D, E, and then yes, it should work, no? Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 that's not what I want. It's, this will create little chunks, multiple chunks of the array, and this is not what I want. What I want is slice, maybe array slice. Array slice, yeah, extract a slice of the array. Yeah, I think that's what I need. This is what I need. Yes. Vai, escolha. Okay, array slice should do it, and here array slice, array, and 4. Let's try it out. I forgot to change. So this is what I did. I changed to array slice because array chunk, it was not what I wanted. And now, no, it didn't work. It's still the full array. Let's check the doc again. I missed something. Yeah, I think it actually worked, but I didn't use it. I got the ending portion of it somehow. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what I want is AB. Okay, it's the starting point. I got it. Yeah, it's just the like sub-str substring. Hey Steve, we are just finishing having a list of the latest followers on Twitch. I'm just kind of adjusting it so it shows nicely on my screen, and I am just like about to finish. I got tangled with the array slice thing. So I want actually the starting from 0 and with the size 4. That's what I want. Let's see again. Finally, I think this is going to work. Yay! Okay, so that's what I wanted. And I can customize the appearance of these. And Let me see the overlay again. So this is here. I'm gonna update, refresh the page, reload page. Yes. So now it is showing here. My latest followers. Hey, Mike. Is that you? Are you here? Dragon B, it must be Mike. Michelangelo. And you, Steve? And hello, Flat, Pierre Stovall, my latest followers. Thank you all for following me. And I'm finishing this stream now. I'm happy with what I accomplished today. So this background is solid white. So I will probably change these too, and some styling to make it look nicer. But I'm very happy that I managed to make this work today. So thank you all for joining me for this impromptu session. It was not really planned, and also with a few interruptions, but I think that can still work. We can still do these streams like this, maybe. It was fun, and next week I'll be back, and I have more ideas and streams coming, projects and stuff. Yeah, I will reveal in time. But anyways, thanks again, and hope to see you again next week. Bye.